So I'm doing a video.
You remember this? Mommy, I want milk.
Yeah. I'm doing a video on my first Nerf gun.
No, your third.
My third.
But it's your first video of Nerf.
It's my first video on Nerf. It's called the Triano
He doesn't know
EX3. I don't know the name because it's really hard to say. Yeah.
Let me see.
My brother's gonna see.
Let me see.
Triad EX3. So here. See? And you see? See? You see? You see? You see?
You don't need to shoot.
See? You see? Here's one more. Here's one more for you good people. Right in your faces. Oh wait, that one didn't show up very well. Okay.
So annoying.
Ow! So, here it is.
And also yesterday, you shot us in the penis.
It hurt.
In front of me.
Yeah, it hurts. I'm getting my second gun's gonna get. I'm gonna get my next gun is gonna
a long strike or a long shot or a mega?
My next gun's gonna be the Mega. I'm getting the Mega.
Maybe.
I am the Mega pistol, then the Mega giant one. See this? I modified my dart. I modified my dart to make it hurt more. This is I put some metal in my dart. You didn't know that?
You did rocks.
Rocks and metal. I put rocks and metal.
That just slows down it.
No, it makes it hurt more. Yep.
It's called modding guns.
Yeah, yeah, it's called modding. Yeah, I know. So, subscribe now, or this bullet is coming right to your face.